Hello my crafty kitties, hope you're doing great. If you are new, welcome. Thank you for stopping by. Today I'm going to be showing you an outgoing happy mail that I'm sending to Wanda from A Day in My World. I will link her below, and she's here on YouTube. Be sure and give her some crafty love. You're gonna love her smile. She's just a sweetheart, and she's been going through a lot of changes with moving, and you know, she's a tough cookie, and so a very admirable woman, and I just really wanted to kind of bless her a little bit here, and I hope that this will bless her. And I always look forward to her big beautiful smile, because y'all, her smile is so contagious. Seriously, you definitely want to check her out. So okay, I will, if she does a video, which I'm sure she probably will, I will link it of this unboxing, because sometimes I think it's really fun to watch when somebody else does the unboxing, you know, when they receive it. That, you know, that'll be fun, because it'll be a surprise. She won't know. I won't put this video out until she's opened her package. So okay, it's nothing major, but definitely made with a lot of love. Here, first of all, is a cute little envelope that I've made, and it's just got a little bit of everything, a lot of textures, and a little bit of glitter, blingy glitter, and then a little button, a little bow, little die cuts here and there, really cute. And then I have my little Paper Kitty 99 stamp on it, and I've adhered it in a way where you can kind of put it back like that. And then it's a cute little ATC card, but it's, instead of facing this way, it's facing this way, and it says bloom where you are planted, and it's got this cute puffy sticker with this heart, and I just think it looks really nice, and it kind of matches the little deal. And I have left it blank for now, and I will probably attach my card to it or something, and so she'll have my information on the ready. And then here is a tag flip that I made for her, and it's got this cute little kind of jewelry charm, jewelry tag. It's got this little, I made this to look like a little perfume bottle, so I think that's really pretty. And then I've got, you know, these pearls and this beautiful bead. I love this glass bead, it's so pretty. And a little lucky charm, and just, you know, other little charms that I've kind of put together myself. You know, it's not super chunky or anything, but it's also because, you know, this is already quite the party, and so it would have been probably a little too much. But yeah, it's got this little lobster clasp on it, and so it's just easy to take out, or, you know, you just leave it on. But this, and there's 3 tags on here, and I have used fabric, and, you know, you got these fun little things here, and, you know, these little embellishments, and there's just a lot going on, you know. I've painted some of these. This is a little cupcake, like one of those little mini cupcake liners, and so I thought that was fun to work with. And again, there's like, it's layered in fabric underneath and then sewn all around, so I think that's really cute and fun. So that's tag 1, and, you know, you could see the sewing in the back here. And then this is tag 2. Tag 2 is adorable as well, again with its fun fiber. And then it's got a paper bow with a little resin piece here, and another little wax seal. And I think this one is adorable for this tag. And it's got this beautiful, I think it's a leopard. But anyway, sewn all about again. This one doesn't actually have fabric, which is weird, because I don't know why I did the other 2 with fabric. Anyway, that's just the way it came out. So, you know, when you do art, that's, you know, it just, you never know what you're gonna get. But anyway, I love this little ribbon here. I think it's so cute that it's got that lime green. And then this sweet little bow is it's kind of an altered paper clip. So you've got that clipped on here that can be removed, but anyway, it's really cute right there. And it says she's magic, and then you got all these little bits of fabric collaged onto this tag. So I think it looks really cute. I hope she really loves it. And so yeah, I'm sending this out to her, and you know, I think, you know, she will appreciate it. It reminded me of her because it's a very happy you know, piece of work here, and yeah, so it reminded me of her, and I hope, like I said, that she really enjoys it. Guys, be sure and give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and press the subscribe button if you would like to be a subscriber. Love you so much. Love you so much. I will see you in the next one. Bye now.